Morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday. We're going to be continuing our Langston Hughes short story. This is a longer story, so there's going to be a part 3 tomorrow, and then we're going to be moving on to our summative that will take us through the rest of the school year. We haven't had a summative in a while, so this will kind of be our last one of the year, and yeah, so I'll be introducing that a little bit tomorrow, and then also Friday. So our to-do list for today. Actually, learning objective first. I can engage in the story one Friday morning and predict what will happen in part 3. So watch this video first, complete the assignment, and then there is a help video, as always, that you can click on here when it's done, which will be soon. And then I sent an email out and everything, but I did grade your Langston Hughes biographies from last week. It was a two-part assignment, so part 2 has feedback. I'm going to get better about leaving feedback on every assignment. I try to most of the time, but I'll just be better about doing that for all of your assignments. So you kind of know how you're doing, what you're doing well, and what you could improve. So check that out if you haven't, and if you still need to submit that, you can as well. And then, yeah, if you're missing anything, just finish that when you're done. So this assignment you can get to by clicking here, and then I'll also post a video helping and reading through it with you. Okay, so that's all for today. Quick video. Let me know if you need anything, and hope to see you on my office hours and stuff. So, all right, bye everybody.